Hey guys, today we're going to do a video on the Hardell. It's a pen that you engrave stuff with. First it comes with a it comes with a charger, but you got to put batteries in it. Then it has different attachments, needles. Well, it does come with battery, so that's good. Power battery. And then it comes with this nice pen. And then it has it has one of these. And then look, it has all these stencils. That's neat. So you can engrave all that stuff. Here it is. Stainless steel electrical engraving pen manual. And look, it has Christmas, so if you want to engrave your packages. And then it has if you want to put people's names and number. And I'll leave a link where you can get one of these on Amazon. I'll make sure there's not enough. Yeah, and it comes in that box. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.